We all have a loved one suffering from a major disease, cancer, Alzheimer's, ALS, to name a few. But what if there was a cure?
27 First News State House reporter Jason Aubrey talked with a state lawmaker who says those cures are out there and wants to help make them a reality, even if it costs $1 billion.
A state lawmaker says it's more lucrative to treat a disease than it is to cure it. But if Representative Jim Butler gets his way, that could change.
According to the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services, in 2015, Americans spent an average of $9,900 per person on health care.
We're spending way too much money on health care, and a lot of it has to do with these chronic diseases which require lifelong treatment.
Representative Jim Butler says those treatments are coming in lieu of cures.
Pharmaceutical companies are simply not incentivized to look for cures, and that's why we haven't had any cures in the past 50 years.
Butler's trying to change this because both of his parents died of cancer in their 50s.
The cures are out there. They're definitely out there. I'm very confident. We have to fund the research.
To do that, Butler's bill would create a multi-billion-dollar prize for whomever can cure a major disease. The prize amount would be different for each major disease and be based on the number of states that join Ohio in this initiative.
It's just something that's going to incentivize something that could change the world and dramatically improve all of our lives.
Butler says pharmaceutical companies make about $1 billion per year on a drug they hold the patent for. But once that patent runs out after 6 to 7 years, those earnings drop off significantly. He hopes that investors would rather put their money behind cure efforts with the chance of making several times as much money if a cure is developed. At the State House, Jason Aubrey, WKBN 27 First News.